Let us begin with a little intro. I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, without a doubt. Today we're going to be doing a few minor repairs to our 1971 or 74 Yamaha Enduro 125 two-stroke, and then we're going to take it for a rip. Check it out, stop sign. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Side covers, all these covers are back on, guys. I put an air filter on here. That's a piece of foam, and I saturated it with oil. It should be a good filter, and I still need to adjust the carb. It's like these Yamaha two-strokers have to have some kind of restriction a little bit right there, and I guess that's what that will provide, I hope. I put a new switch here to turn it on and off, and that's an awesome switch because all you have to do is unplug it and plug it back in. And the reason it's so good is because this is a battery side, and see, it's got a rubber protector on it so it doesn't spark all over the place. Thought we'd adjust the carburetor and run it through the gears while it is up here on the lift. So I purchased this, I don't know, back wheel motorcycle stand or something. Let me get it unwrapped and we'll put it on the back of this motorbike. I have this thing in position, not much to it. Now I'm just going to lift it up. Let's see what happens. Straps are too tight. Straps all loosened up. Let's try it again. Just lift. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that? Look. And that's it. That's cool. Very nice. So if you want a closer look, all you do is adjust these in or out, and that latches onto that swing arm. I don't know exactly if that's how it goes. The instructions are right here wrapped around it, but I opted not to look at those today. And this is awesome because, I'll tell you what, I bought this rack when I bought this motorcycle lift. And I guess I should have just put it right on there from the start because it's really stable on there right now. I just gave it a little wiggle. Let's lower it down, tune the carb, run it through the gears. It's been a couple days. Let's see how it fires up. Switch on. Other switch on. My filter is the problem. It's too restrictive. I have to stop at Mike's Cycle World and get one maybe tomorrow, so it just won't idle very good, but good enough. Let's go through the gears, see how it does. That killed it. I hope the clutch is okay. Alright guys, we got more problems. The clutch is kind of locked up on it. I say we just hop on this thing and ride. Well, this is awesome. Things got a way of working their way out. It just broke free already. The clutch did. Alright, yard's too wet and I'm too old to be flying around the yard in the mud. I will lay this thing over and break my head and neck, so let's just get her on the road and see how she performs there. A little moto vlogging on a 1974 Yamaha Enduro DT 125. Let's get it! know, take it easy. Don't break your neck. And the other part of me says, open this pile up and see what she'll do. Woo! Let me get up here past this house. They demolished that house. Let's see how many gears we got. Alright, so idle it a little fast. Let me, there we go. So here's first, second, third, fourth. Alright, 5 gears, 1 down, 4 up. Man, this thing will fly. This thing will fly, absolutely fly. Awesome. I'm a little afraid of it because stuff's still loose on it. Woo! This is fun. I'll give her that. Trail of smoke behind us. There is a trail of smoke behind us. I don't know how fast this thing goes, but she's moving on. I'm going to ease through the church parking lot because it is important to be respectful, I think, at places like this. All right, here we go. Let's continue on our journey. The muffler is hot. You know, it's up by my leg. And that thing's hot. There's second gear. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Hey! If I knew all the wheels were tight, I would gouge on this thing, but I don't have that information, and I doubt they are. Layer over these old knotty tires. Woo! I like. I'm gonna try and do a little clutch adjustment on the road. They demolished a house over there. Brakes are good on it. Whoa! Missed a gear. She winds up quick, boys. Winds up quick. What do I think of this 1974 125 Yamaha Enduro? Pretty awesome. It could use an extra gear, I'll tell you that. She could use another gear. This thing's got a ton of power. Oh, it's slippery when wet. Slippery when wet. It's been raining here for like 2 days straight. Awful. All kinds of rain. That's why I can't go in the field. Too old, too fat. Alright, I adjusted the clutch. It was slipping a little bit. Much better now. No slippage. Woo-wee! She will get it, boys. Next thing I'm going to do is buy a helmet, a neck brace, and some Kevlar suit, because this is creepy. Just knowing this thing could, anything on it could lock up at any time. She's old, boys. Woo! Rides good though for an old motorbike. Very comfortable machine. I feel good sitting on it. I mean, I could ride this for a long time. It's just easier around here. It'll be nice when I get that filter, that air filter, so I can get the carburetor adjusted right at lower speeds and idle. Listen to her sputter. Now watch. Sputter, sputter, sputter. Now watch me hammer this thing. Alright guys, I'm going to try and make it up to my buddy's house, and if he's home, see what he thinks of this machine. Foot pegs are loose. That's nerve-wracking too. Check it out, stop sign. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Traffic keeps coming. I believe we can keep up with it anyways. Next break I get, we're gone. Here we go. Woo! This thing will fly. I'm just afraid to go wide open with it. I'm afraid something's going to fall off of it. My buddy up here has a TT, I forget what they are, Yamaha TT 225, TTA, no, TTR 120, TTR 225. I'll see if he wants to race. We'll smoke him, and by smoke him, I mean just that with this two-stroker. Truck behind us. Mind your own business, truck. It ain't none of your business what I do, truck. I should use my signal. I'm sticking my hand out, see? So he knows what's going on. Here we go, we made it. Let's see if we can... Oh, this feller ain't home. I don't see his vehicle here. I'm just gonna have to make an official challenge here in his yard. Hey buddy, watch this video. And when you do, I have challenged you to a race on your TTR 225. Save your money, buddy. We'll make a bet for a $100 bill, because I'm going to smoke you. Let's see if we can keep up with his truck. Woo! Oh, yeah. We'll catch him. We'll catch him, boys. If I wasn't so scared, I'm an old man. I don't need to die riding a dang 125 dirt bike. I'll tell you that right now. She's got more. She's always got more, boys. Good grief. There's no end to the power of this thing. There is no end. She just keeps going. I think the Super Cub gearing was the opposite of this, and that's why I keep shifting the wrong way. Oh, man, it's a rough ride through the field. It might be an enduro, but it's a rough, stiff ride, I'll tell you that. Woo, she's rough. And here we are. Home again, home again. Ah. Well, that is a wicked little machine. Super fast and just outright obnoxious, nasty 125cc two-stroke. I can't believe it's awesome. Went from 50cc mopeds to, what was that, Super Cub? The Super Cub's back there. It's a 90. And we're going up to a CB 350. And tomorrow, guys, I'm headed to Georgia to pick up another motorcycle. It's a 500cc. Is it a 2 or a 4-stroke? Leave it in the comments below. You should be able to guess that one pretty easy. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. I really appreciate that. It helps the channel to grow. We will see you next time.